Hello, this is Richa here. Good morning to all of you and have a great good day to all of you. You're the most welcome these sessions. Awesome Blossom English Learner. So today we're gonna discuss about consistency. Why is it so important? Why is it really valuable to learn anything, to do anything, to go anything? But yeah, without things you cannot learn anything, you cannot experiment anything, you cannot do any kind of creative things, even you cannot be a smarter without consistency. By consistency you also can learn a lot of things, you also can be more and more smarter, you also can be a creative personality. But how? When you just do and when you just follow this key, and definitely you also can do everything whatever you want. So let's get started. Okay, first of all I tell you about importance of consistency. Okay, so consistency is really very important, just because of without consistency that we are not able to do anything. I just give you a real example, especially for English learners, which people are really watching my channel. So definitely I gonna give you a mantra, and definitely by that mantra you also can learn a lot of things. You also can become a fluent speaker, you also can be a good communicator, you also can be a really very good learner as well. But how? And you also can learn day by day if you will follow this only and only one mantra. So definitely no one can stop to you to become a really amazing personality, as a iconic personality. But how is it possible? Everyone asking that I'm not intelligent, I'm not good at English, I'm not a really very doing any kind of things. What is the reason behind that? Because you just accepted your defeat. I'm not saying that everyone is a beginning of level, so of course everyone is a perfect. No, I'm also not perfect, but it's not mean we also drop that key. And that key, actually all buddies is regret this key. All buddies think that we are not good at English, and that's why, okay, just skip that. This is the actually biggest mistake, when you just skip your fluency, when you just skip your learning process, when you just skip anything whatever you are doing, and you just decided to do on daily basis at a time. You just leave it. This is the biggest mistake, when you just quit these things. This is the actually consistency. I just give you example why I'm forcing to words about the consistency. Okay, suppose I'm so much fatty, and so of course Richa, you're really so much fatty, and of course you should go where? You should go into the gym, you should join the gym. So I will ask your questions. Question is that I just join a gym, but I'm not able to reduce my fatness. What is the reason behind that? It's not mean I'm having burger and pizza, I'm having everything, because of I am not actually dedicated to go the gym, and that's why I'm not able to maintain my figure, just because of consistency. Gym trainer will never say to you that skip your diet, skip your chapati. No, not at all. Gym trainer always suggests you just take it healthy food, just take it after 2 hours, whatever you are taking, just take it healthy. So gym trainer will never suggest you just skip your lunch, just skip your diet, just skip your dinner, just skip your breakfast. No, he will never suggest you to skip your anything. Even he will suggest you that just take a proper healthy food. So but he also say these things, this is the consistency. When you will take it after every 2 hours, when you will take any kind of eatable thing. And of course, why he's also suggesting to us, just because of he knows very well. Now this person will obviously come into the gym, but what happened, you are focusing on eatable things, but you are not focusing to go into the gym on daily basis. And sometimes people also thinking about that if we will take it healthy food, so of course it is okay, because gym trainer also will suggest you. Okay, gym trainer also suggested to us, and that's why we also started to every 2 hours we also started eatable things, healthy food, because gym trainer suggested to us. But don't, why you forgot to go into the gym, why you become a really lazy to go into the gym. And in these conditions, after sometimes you are saying that I don't know why I'm not able to reduce my fatness, my chubby, and I'm not a slim, look like as a slim, even I'm really so much fatty now, because you didn't follow consistency, and that's why you are not able to reduce your figure. Same here about the skinny people also, that they also are not able to build the body as well. So thing is that without consistency, if you will think that you also can learn, you also can build your body, you also can reduce your chubby, you also can be really very healthy. So not at all. Without consistency, everything is zero. Your money, your health, your gym, your studies, everything is zero, because in the previous life you didn't follow your consistency. And just because of consistency, you also become you also convert to yourself intelligence into the dumb sense. Why I'm saying, I just give you a second example about the students. In the beginning of time, sometimes students so much intelligence, so much important, and they are really very feeling to themselves that we are really genius. And that's why, just because of overconfidence, they also think that I'm able to do everything, I'm able to solve all the problem, solve all the questions. So we have no need to learn, we have no need to practice more and more. And that's why they forget to practice on daily basis. It's me, they imbalance on the way of consistency, and that's why they become a really very big weaker, just because of consistency. So because of consistency, you also can become yourself as a smarter, as an intelligent person, as a genius person, as a chimpanzee. But how is it possible? Everyone can become a really really iconic personality if you will follow this trick, this key about the consistency. I just tell you about the consistency. Consistency allows for four measurements. Consistency means accountability, and consistency establish your reputations. So consistency make you relevant. Otherwise, without consistency, no matter how much you are genius, it's really very important. If you will not follow the consistency, and because of consistency means you are missing your practice, and just because of practice you are not able to speak even in English. A lot of learner also this thing is happen. They also thinking in a beginning of time we are giving a lot of time to speak in English, but we are not speaking English after 15 days, and that's why they forgot. They drop the hope, and they also thinking no, हमसे ना हो पाएगा, and that's why they also skip the practice. They also they are not able to make consistency with a learning process, and that's why a lot of people is not able to speak in English after 6 months. They also saying, ma'am, what is the reason behind that you also started your English journey and I also started English journey both together, but you are really very fluent and you are really very confident, but I am not able to speak like as you. What is the reason behind that? I just say only one thing, because if within 15 months I just follow all things. I just make consistency. It's not matter that I'm outside or inside. It's really very important that what kind of situations do you have, but just try to focus on the English communication. Don't forget to do practice. Whenever you are getting a time reading, just read. Whenever you are getting time speaking, you just speak. Whenever you are getting time to watching the video, just watch it, but don't break your consistency. And just because of consistency, definitely you are a mess. You are iconic. You are the salt of the earth. And but without consistency, I damn sure I give a challenge to you that you cannot do any kind of thing in your life. You cannot build your business without consistency. You cannot be focused. But because of consistency, if you are zero, of course you are you also can put a lot of zero in front side of you. Means in front side of you means you are a one. You are a only and only one personality, and if you want to put many zeros in front side of you, and you also want to become a really thousands, lakhs, crores, billionaires, whatever follows you want to include in your life. Of course you can, but without consistency you cannot any kind of things. You cannot do any kind of things. So I just give you example, myself example. Last 2 months, I can say, yeah, of course, last couple of months, I'm just uploading my videos on daily basis. I never skip my single day for 2 months. Okay, so I have been following the consistency to upload the video, no matter what kind of uploading the video. No matter, I'm just uploading sometimes motivation, sometimes podcast, sometimes idiom, sometimes phrase, but I just follow the consistency. And just see, when you just see my first video and today, if you will see my current video, definitely you will see a lot of changes while my speaking. A lot of changes while my personality, everything is changes just because of consistency. Consistency is your self teacher. Consistency is your self teacher. You don't have need to do any kind of thing. You don't have need to follow any personality. You don't have need to take a special class about the English, any classes. If you will follow consistency, if you will try to follow these things with dedications, definitely with consistency you also can do everything. I gonna promise to you. Of course you also can do, but without consistency you cannot do any kind of thing. It's not mean that you also speak only 4 days in English and okay, 5th day I am feeling boring, just skip it. Okay, you just start again on the 6th day, on the 7th day, on the 8th day. Every 5th or 6th, 7th, 8th and 4th day you had skipped. So what happened? That what do you think? That you will be actually speaking English with confidence? No, because in 4 days of period, you just forgot your confidence. You just forgot that no, I cannot speak in English. No, I'm not able to speak in English. Just because of you didn't practice in previous 4 days. So how can you expect that you are able to do some things? You also can become a superstar. No, not at all. This is the big key. This is the main mantra. This is the what? This is actually self-teacher. Self-teacher. You also can be your self-teacher if you will follow consistency. Thank you so much and have a great good day to all of you.